Christmas is whenever a man wants. And now, the unboxing. Here it is. So, nice one. It's here. Oh wow, I really love these boxes. ASUS really pumps up the action with these. It just looks so lovely. Amazing. Yeah. Nice. Down it goes. So, here it is. I already seen this part from other reviews, of course, but I'm so eager to do it. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Welcome to the elite Republic of Gamers community. I love doing unboxings of these guys. I really do. Whew. Oh wow. Take a look. Oh yeah. Too fast? You'll be seeing more of it. Well, to start, a nice hardcover case. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Amazing. Good for travel. That's serious. It's very good for traveling. With the... How you listen to this? That's right. Well organized. Jack, dongle. Yeah. Breathe, breathe. Oh yes. Amazing. Left, right. Oh, it fits so perfectly. It's light. I saw those reviews. They said it were light, but it's really light. Oh yeah. Metal. Good. Touch. Feels real nice. The unboxing is done. Now I have here 3 headsets that we will see how they go. I have one for work, one for music, and one for gaming. What's up with that? The work one. Well, I don't mix work with fun, so this is just for work. We'll take a look into this. We have here Plantronic Voyager Focus. Price $150. A little bit steep. Maybe. Bluetooth 2.4 wireless with a dongle. There it is. Active noise cancelling. Yeah, it does have it. USB charging port. The old USB. Pause. Fast forward. Stop. Volume. Yeah. They're here. Non-removable Mac. Yeah. It's here. You can have. It is? Yes, it is. You can have a docking station for them, but add 50 on that price. You also get a pouch for storage. Not bad, but not that good either. Yeah. Pretty much it. And now, Music. Yeah, these are old. How old? More than 10 years, I guess. Maybe 15. Well, I bought this for 50, but maybe 100 in today's money. Stereo portable, hands-free. Very nice. They are from Sony. Walkman brand, but still Sony Ericsson. Yeah, they are old. I still have the box. Yeah. They're not that great, but the fact they last so many years, it's a plus. They're still alive. They sound acceptably. It's not gonna win any prizes. And that's it. You get, same as everyone, play, pause, fast forward, a touch volume. Not that good. Well, you still have a jack. You won't get that with the work ones. And now, the start of the show, the gaming one. Gaming one. We have gaming for everything. Gaming shoes one day, maybe. Haven't checked Amazon. Well, what do they bring to the table? They have USB-C dongle with wireless 2.4, USB-A adapter, not bad. You have audio jack cable, still useful. Pretty. You get two mix, one internal, one external, and this one has active noise cancelling capabilities. So whenever you are in a meeting or a game or engaging in some sort of communication, the sounds around you won't go through the mic. You also get USB-C cable for charging. It has fast charging. 5 minutes on charge, it will last for a long time. Before we can further advance this video, that's it. I want to talk about the new headsets that we are seeing today. What makes me sad is that the audio jack, as you might know, is going extinct. What a shame. Even smartphones today will skip that precious thing. What a shame. So I do enjoy the fact that these RoG Strix headphones have the audio jack. You can hook it up to anything, pretty much anything. You'll see it. I'll show you. Today's headsets like this one don't have the audio jack. That's it. If you want to hook up to a old device, you're out of luck. You have on sale today from ASUS and RoG branded headsets with audio jack, but then it won't have anything more. Not USB, not USB-C, not. It's just that. It's not bad, but if you want something specific, go for it. But if you want versatility, these are champs. Let's test some headsets. How do they sound? Let's see. They really... Wow, I can't hear a thing. It doesn't have active noise cancelling, keep in mind. So, you can either use the USB-C plus the adapter, then you can just show you, just put it on any computer. You can put it on the phone with USB-C. The newer ones have them. The old ones, nope, probably not, but versatility. Let's see how they go. Not bad at all. The bass is not that strong. Luckily, there's an equalizer, I can adjust this. Not bad. If you hook it to a computer though, with the dongle, you'll need the RoG Armory. After that, you can adjust the sound for games, for music, for whatever. You just need to open your RoG Armory crate. Now, go to Devices and select your headset. You even have one for first-person shooters. You can also check your battery status. Conclusion: perfect sound for any occasion. And by the way, this recording was made with the external mic. So, old phones, old MP3s, old Walkmans, computers, new phones. Amazing! You cannot do this with these ones. It doesn't have Bluetooth, but ASUS just re-released these headsets with Bluetooth, so added functionality. External mic port, I can show you to you. There it is. Just as a small, oh, there it is. It only fits this way, as a little notch, so cool. This concludes our unboxing/review. I hope you liked it. Share, subscribe, and enjoy. See you next time.